In this tutorial, we are going to create a video message using Screencastify. I'm going to launch my Screencastify, and I'm going to select my webcam. I'm going to select webcam only because I want my students to be able to see me, and it's just a quick personalized message. So I'm going to hit record, and you'll see me pop up. Hey guys, it's Mrs. Polk. Hope you're all having a great week. I have some great resources and assignments for you. Click into my Bitmoji classroom. There are 10 objects that are linked to resources. Happy hunting. Have a great day. So now that my screencast is recorded, it shows up here. I'm going to now save it. And I'm going to title it Week of 9-7, Intro to Virtual Classroom. So just so that my students have an idea of what we're doing, I like to title my screencasts and date them so that they're easier to find. So what we can do now is either share it to Classroom. So when we do that, we click Share to Classroom, and a quick link will open up. So we can choose a class and do it like that. Okay, but I don't want to do that today. We can also publish to YouTube if we wanted to. You can use your own channel, and you can select the privacy settings on this as well. But we're going to embed this greeting into my virtual classroom. So I'm going to hit Copy Shareable Link. When that happens, it creates a link that I can utilize and embed into my virtual classroom. So I'm going to go into my drive, and I'm going to upload my virtual classroom template. And here I have my little megaphone icon, and I'm going to click into that. Then I'm going to hit the insert link icon, and I'm going to do a Control-V and apply. So now my screencast is embedded into my virtual classroom. So when I hit present mode, or when I'm all finished with my classroom, I can publish it to the web, okay, by selecting File and then Publish to the web. This will have it open up automatically in presentation mode. So I'm just going to show you what presentation mode looks like. I'm just going to hit present. And there it is. So when I click on my megaphone, my screencast will open up. Okay, and there's my video message. So I hope that this helps and it gives you a brief introduction into the world of screencasting.